Marketing intermediary. A marketing intermediary is a middle agent that links tourism supplier and potential consumers. They serve to facilitate the flow of products and services to make it convenient for the customer to avail himself or herself of it.
Information, gathering and distributing marketing research and intelligence information about the marketing environment. Information is valuable to help a company understand their target market and know the needs and wants of the consumer. Promotion, developing and spreading persuasive communication about an offer. Promotion is used as strategy to communicate the seller and the buyer. The seller convinces the buyer to buy their products or service. Promotion also helps to grow their company.
Contact. Finding and communicating with prospective buyers. Ma'am, example po, business card. Ito po yung way para po kung gusto kanila kontakin, andito po yung phone number mo at madali kanila makontak. Matching. Shaping and fitting the offer to buyer's need. Ma'am, matching naman po ay kailangan mo po i-match or itugma yung mga kailangan ng mamimili sa mga gagawin mong business.
Negotiation. Agreeing on price and other terms of the offer so that ownership and possession can be transferred. Pag-uusap ng mga mamimili at nagbebenta na nagkakaroon ng kasunduan sa isang produkto na inaalok ng nagbebenta sa napagkasundoang presyo. Physical distribution. Transporting and storing of goods. Pag-transport ng mga produkto sa mga kumpanya ng mga finished products patungo sa consumer upang makapag-imbak ng mga products ang kumpanya.
Number 7, financing. Acquiring and using funds to cover the cost of the channel work. When we say financing, it's all about providing funds for our business activities and for investing. Also, financing means asking any financial companies to give money to support your business expenses. Number 8, risk-taking. Assuming the financial risk such as the inability to sell inventory at full margin. Alright, when we say risk-taking, it is about dealing with uncertainty and accepting that you could lose money, freedom, or reputation when you're taking a risk.
Kinds of marketing intermediaries. Number 1 is travel agents. These are most widely used marketing intermediary in tourism industry, though the internet is now becoming vastly popular as well. Travel agents offer a wide array of products and services from transportations to accommodations and tour packages. Travel agents also provide travel management services to the corporate accounts they handle who may need such as services beyond the 4 functions below. Hudson, in 2008, claims that travel agents are able to perform 4 distinct functions as distribution and sales network, reservation and ticketing, information provision and travel counseling, design of individual itineraries. When we say travel agents, sila yung nag-o-offer ng mga travel tours sa atin o sa mga individual. Number 2, the operators or wholesalers. These are organizations that offer package vacation tours to the general public targeting the leisure market. The tour package includes transportation and accommodation as well as meals, ground transportation, entertainment, and activities. Kapag sinabi nating travel tour operators, sila yung main company o sila yung namamahala sa lahat. Under din nila yung mga agents. Kapag naman tour wholesalers, sila yung mga nag-aayos ng mga travel packages. Saan pupunta, anong pupuntahan o saan sasakay. Tapos yun yung ibebenta nila.
Government Tourist Association, sila yung mga nagbibigay information sa market upang lalong lumago ang turismo sa kanilang lugar, and sila yung mga nag-i-establish ng mga properties and attraction sa kanilang mga nasasakupan.
Concerns are job of hotel staff where they assist guests or tourists on how to get in and what they can recommend to them, such as beautiful sights and sightseeing. They are the ones who list and provide the cash deposit or key deposit to the guests who check in at the hotel.
Internet-based system, online travel against group buying sites and company. Websites are online platforms that campaign can easily to use to make their products and services available to potential customer. Hotel list themselves in Expedia and Agoda. Ang internet-based system ay isang uri ng software application o platform na tumatakbo sa internet. Sa halip na mai-install at mai-access mula sa isang lokal na computer o network, ang mga sistemang nakabatay sa internet ay inuusad ginagamit sa pamamagitan ng isang web browser o nakalaang software na kumukonekta sa internet. Ang mga system na ito ay karaniwang nag-iimbak ng data sa mga malalaking server at naibibigay ang access mula sa anumang lokasyon na may connection sa internet.
Alliances. Strategic alliance is another form of marketing intermediary. When a hotel, restaurant, or resort partners with a telephone company, credit card company, or other relevant companies, share customers and aim for objectives that will benefit both companies. Ang strategic alyansa po ay isang nag-aayos sa pagitan ng dalawang kumpanya upang gumawa po ng isang kapaki-pakinabang na proyekto. Ang alliance marketing po ay kilala rin sa mga alyansa na nag-aaral ng pagmamerkado kung saan dalawa o higit mang kumpanya. Nagsasama-sama sila upang maibahagi ng mga customer ang isang hotel, restaurant o resort nila.
Cost. Economic feasibility of the distribution channel should also be considered so that the value they add to the company compensates for the cost of paying for them. The amount and value of money that have been used up to produce something or delivered a services. Control. Tourism suppliers should be able to exercise a certain degree of control over distribution channel. This channel should show compliance on system and guidelines set by suppliers for efficient management and control of the distribution strategies. To order, limit, or rule something or someone's action or behavior.
Important of access marketing. Access is the key ingredients to the success of any business, product, and service have to be accessible to its potential customer. Strategy location of the business depend on where one customer are factor to consider in choosing a location. In this important of access marketing, makikita natin dito yung apat na kailangan natin upang maging success yung business natin, which is accessibility.
Accessibility, souvenir shop, souvenir tourist attraction, restaurant should be near tourist accommodation and transportation hubs such as airports, seaports, and bus terminal. Accessibility is transportation. Kumbaga, kailangan malapit ka sa tinutuluyan mo.
Types of market.
Type of market. Choice of location should also consider the psychographic and demographic characteristic of the market within the area and its growth potential. Type of market.
Ito yung uri ng pamilihan na pipili ka ng lugar na kung saan maaring magtayo ng pamilihan at kung saan magiging malago ito sa pamamagitan ng maganda at wastong lugar nito.
Availability of competitors, tsaka and then availability of competitors. Competition is not necessarily bad if competing establishments are already present in the and identify location. It's only mean that there there is already a market in that specific area. So, pag sinabi nating availability competitors, ito yung mga hindi mawawala na mga kompetensya sa mga business. Pero hindi masama na makipagkompetensya ka sa ibang business kung alam mong nasa tama ka. Like for example, pag magtatayo ka ng isang business, hindi maiiwasan ng pakikipagkompetensya sa ibang um, market. Like hindi mawawala yung inggit, ganon. Kaya once na nagtayo ka ng business or company, kailangan ready ka sa mga situation na makikipagkompetensya sa'yo. Kaya kailangan kapag gagawa ka ng mga business or magtatayo ka, kailangan talaga is maging ready ka lang. Ready ka sa lahat ng mga bagay na kailangan mong i-manage. Kasi sa pagbi-business talaga hindi mawawala yung mga kompetensya. So, yun lang.